Hello, I am Leandro Melendez, also known as Señor Performo. Welcome to another episode of The Joy of Conferencing. Today, we are painting a beautiful conference, StarWest 2023. Some of the tech colors that you will learn at the conference are being displayed here on screen. We will begin with a vibrant backdrop of the Disneyland Hotel in Anaheim, California. We will paint some conference magic inside of it. There we go. Very happy, looking good. Now, let's add a modern performance tutorial, courtesy of yours truly, your amigo, Señor Performa. On it, you will learn how to turn all of your agile performance accidents into happy events. And now, let's invite some happy presenters to our tutorial party. We will use my trusty tutorial presenter marker to have many beautiful tutorial presenters. There you go. Another one. And one more. Oh, look, this little fellow. It looks like we should put a talk conference stage around. Let's keep inviting, like this little fella, many happy conference speakers that will share a lot of knowledge, where they can roam and give their talks freely. Yeah, one more. Why not? So many happy presenters. Now, let's sprinkle everything with some cameras, streamed interviews, lots of booths and sponsors, knowledge, lots of knowledge, and great networking that will make our hearts race. Now here, let's have a special area. The only thing remaining in this area, in this conference paradise, it's you. So come from October 1st to 6th, 2023. So until then, my fellow QA artists, keep registering in all those happy links. And always remember, there are no mistakes in conferences, only happy adventures. With that, I'm going to wish you happy conferencing. Adios, amigos.